What's up, guys?
Yo, where you guys?
Yo,
where you
guys.
at? Gio, where you at? Oh, I found a
Come.
sheep.
Okay, today's video, we are, what's it called again?
Trying the some sunny day.
Yeah,
Some sunny day horror mode.
yeah, some sunny day horror mode. We are trying that.
It's actually
So,
pretty scary.
let's go
Yo,
in the video. Okay, let's hear.
Yo, look behind you.
It's starting.
No, let's make the house already.
Okay.
I
On
thought
top of
was a
that,
village.
on top of that,
No, let's find the. Let's get. Oh, there. I have a bed already. Apa?
there's another here. Kill that.
No, you kill that. It's my isa pang secret.
Okay. It took
Bravo.
only me like one hit.
Yeah, I hit it already.
Where are you?
Oh, there's a cave here.
Where are
Here,
you?
here. Follow my location log.
Okay, let me see. I'm coming. Wait, that's him.
Oh, yeah, it's not good.
Oh, there's a ravine. Yeah, ravine. You will die. Oh, there's water. Let's cave mining. Let's cave mining. Let's go down. Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Don't go up.
No, I'm gonna get this coal. I love it.
Okay, get some coals to smelt. I'ma
No,
make
so we
a.
can make torch and we can.
Okay, let's make our house here. Right?
No, I heard that. I seen the monster actually goes to caves.
No, it's a ravine. It's not a cave.
Cave reveals the same though.
No, it's like a cave, but like there's a earthquake. It's not a cave. It's a ravine.
Maze attack!
You have mace? Oh no,
No, I don't.
this is an axe. Okay, this is the old.
Maze attack!
Oh my god, I'ma die. I need to eat
I have.
mine too.
Uh,
Bro, my. Oh, I'm lagging so bad. I'ma make.
There's a lot of monsters in this one.
Okay,
Ooh, iron! Oh, I just got lucky and found iron.
get some iron. Good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, just enough to make us shield, both of us.
I have many wood, so just not.
If I find redstone, bro, I'm the best redstoner here.
Yeah.
I can make a wireless stasis chamber, 3x3 trap. Oh my gosh, I'm so smart. And I can also make an orbital strike. I'm just joking. Oh my gosh, I almost fell.
I'm making a.
Yo, are you that? Are you? Oh, it's me.
I'm near the crafting table. I just put a door so you can come in. Oh my god, bro! You jump scared me.
La 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 la. Moonwalking. Moonwalking spot. Wow. Oh, yeah. If I hit you that much.
No problem. What's that? What's that?
What's that sound, baby?
I don't know. Do you have like any stone?
I have stone.
Yeah, I need stone. Okay.
Yo, there's a cave here. Wait. What is a cave here?
Do you find something?
Yo, did you see this cave earlier?
Where?
Come here.
Near the
here.
spawn?
Come here.
Wait.
Come
Okay.
here.
What's that sound? It's creepy.
Come
What?
here, come here, come here. Did you see this cave before?
What cave?
This cave?
No. Just spawn there.
Please don't.
How? Why did? Oh, you
Oh,
have.
creeper, oh, creeper, creeper. Oh my goodness, that is scary. Oh, creeper!
Oh. I'm just go to our base. If there's something happened to me.
Okay, never mind. Let's skip this.
Wait, I know this closed.
What?
The door. I know I closed it, but
Let's just check the footage afterward.
okay. Making a house. I'm gonna make the house 3 blocks tall. Yeah, so we can jump.
I made a staircase with the water bucket. Ooh! Another sheep. I'm gonna get us wood.
I think this is good now. Look. Is this good?
Yeah, it's good.
Do you have torch?
Yeah, I have a lot of torch.
Give me some torch.
I have 5 torch. This one is setting.
Give me torch.
Do you have a wool? How many wool do you have?
Only one.
Okay, good. I have 5. What's the
Where?
Yo.
I'm scared, yo. If I die,
Okay, okay.
there's something. God. I know I have 2 torch. I light the.
Look, I have 5 wool. I'm gonna give you
Come
2.
back. 3 wool is.
Oh my god, it's turning light. It's turning light.
This is our base for now,
Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's turning light.
bro.
Whoa.
What's up?
Do you need, ano, I have a lot of, I'm gonna give you 10,
Torch.
no, I'm gonna give you 10 cobblestone and all of my torch.
Okay. How much torch you have?
Yo,
4?
yo, do you see that? Yo, come here, come here, come here, come here.
Yes.
You see that? You see that? Or am I the only one who see? I see a name tag. I see a seriously, I see a name tag. What the heck? Yo, what is that?
I think it's our game.
It
Like, let me
disappeared,
see.
like literally. It disappeared. It disappeared, I don't know why. I'm gonna give you 2 wool. Where did I? Okay.
Okay.
My favorite bed color is red.
Do you have red?
Good thing I have red dye.
Sheesh. Okay, I have a bed. I'm gonna put my bed,
I'm gonna put my bed here.
where? There. I'm gonna put my bed on top of yours.
Don't! Hey, don't put
Ow.
your bed.
Let's
Hey,
do
it's
a
night,
bunk
bro.
bed.
Muchachos, it's night.
Okay. Yeah. The skip night by sleeping settings turn off. The owner of this world needs to turn these settings on in edit.
I didn't turn it on.
Why did you turn it on?
I didn't turn it off. I mean,
On.
it just does that. One of the words.
So fine. What are you doing?
I'm just doing it. Get your iron.
Okay.
You have your iron. I'm gonna make sure.
I'm gonna make like a
Wow.
chest. Ow.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die from hunger for real, for real. Here.
Wait, let me kill you if just
No.
sleep on your
No,
bed.
no. I didn't sleep yet.
Cause it don't like said
Okay. Kill
your
me now.
respawn point is.
Kill me now.
Wait,
Kill me now.
I can kill you. Do you spawn here?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Kill me now. Kill me now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good.
Okay, I'm gonna eat several. Never mind, you killed me already.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
make
what are
a
you doing?
chest room.
It's so loud.
100%. I'll put this torch here. You.
Me?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna make.
Iron. Why is our house full of iron?
I don't know.
It makes sense. That Enderman scared me. The hell, bro.
I'm gonna make.
Hello! Oh my god, I hear stuff in his eyes. Hello.
What are you
Touch
doing?
me. Come here. Daddy. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna kill you with your thunder.
I have a double chest here.
Come here, baby. I'm gonna get you. And
Close the door.
wait, don't close it.